Facing the 403 forbidden error in Safari on your iPhone, it can be frustrating, but don't worry. This usually means you don't have permission to access the page or there's a problem with your network or website settings. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to fix the 403 forbidden error on your iPhone. Let's dive in. Before you follow any other process, make sure the URL you entered is correct. Double check for any typos or errors in the address. If these are not the case, then try with the following steps to resolve your issue. Solution 1. Clear Safari cache and data. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down. Tap Apps. Scroll down and find Safari. Scroll down and select Clear History and Website Data. Confirm your action by tapping Clear History and Data. Solution 2. Check Internet connection. Swipe down from the top right corner to access the control center. Ensure that you're connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. If you have issues, you can enable airplane mode for 10 seconds, then turn it off after that. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data or vice versa to see if the issue is resolved. Solution 3. Update iOS. Open Settings. Tap General. Tap Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Now that you know how to fix the 403 forbidden error on your iPhone, try these steps. If the issue keeps happening, you may need to reach out to the website administrator for help. Thanks for watching.